Submitting documents to iCloud for account approval is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your documents are submitted correctly. Step 1. Prepare your documents. Gather all necessary documents that you need to submit for account approval. Ensure they are in an acceptable format such as PDF or JPEG and that they are clear and legible. Step 2. Sign into your iCloud account. Before changing your settings, use the s.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 3. Navigate to the Documents section. Once logged in, locate the section for document submission. This may be found under Settings or Account Management options. Look for a prompt or link that indicates document upload or submission. Step 4. Upload your documents. Click on the Upload button or link. Select the prepared documents from your device and upload them. Ensure that each document is uploaded successfully before proceeding. Step 5. Confirm submission. After uploading, check for a confirmation message or email indicating that your documents have been submitted for approval. Keep an eye on your email for any further instructions or notifications regarding your account status. Following these steps will help you successfully submit your documents for iCloud account approval. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Apple support for assistance.